Increase subscriber by sending your channel link with only one code. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Apex Tech World. Subscribe my channel by punching red button. Let's begin this video. Copy search string code given in description of this video. Copy this search string code. Open your YouTube channel. Paste search string code to your YouTube channel link. At last of your channel link. Now copy this new channel link and send it to your friends. Or share it to any social media. When anyone open this link, it will directly ask to subscribe your channel first. Suppose I copy this new channel link with code. Open in new tab. When I open this link, subscribe page will pop up. After subscribing only I will see all channel contents. Subscribe my channel if you love this video. Love you all.